Well, I'm here at base camp after a long drive here up a really dusty and difficult 4x4 road. Uh, I didn't want to come here on the weekend because all a lot of the Mexican climbers, they come here with groups, and yeah, so I'm at 4,300 meters right now. Feeling pretty good. I feel like slight a slight something in my head, which is totally normal, but I feel really good. And I think later on, you can't see the summit really right now because it's in clouds, but I might walk up a little bit, but I'm just gonna take it easy, just to be easy on myself for the acclimatization. There's like 100 people coming back down from the mountain, and a lot of them that are coming back down look like they're limping and really messed up. Well, now that everyone's finally left, it's like almost 5 p.m. and I'm the only one staying in this hut because that was the weekend hustle. It was really crazy. There were like more than like a couple hundred people or something coming down the mountain. And so I set myself up here in the bottom of the refuge here. The sun is setting behind me and it's just beautiful. And I can't believe it. There's still people coming down the mountain. That would be like more than a 16-hour day for them. They must be so tired. uh, I'm really looking forward to starting tomorrow. There's one section that I'm a little nervous for. It's called the Labyrinth, and there's a lot of different routes through it, and some of the routes are really slippery right now with ice. And so some of the guides that I was talking to, they gave me some advice on sticking to a certain side, and so hopefully that goes all right. Well, I've started my hike. It's already pretty steep, and there were people that left an hour and a half before me, so I'm hoping to catch up with them before the labyrinth, but if not, we'll see how easy it is to find my way in the dark. Well, I passed the people that were staying in the lodge with me, and I'm in the labyrinth now, and so far so good. It seems pretty obvious. Uh, it's a little bit technical, a little slight bit of climbing, but not too bad. Hopefully I'll be at the glacier soon. Alright, I'm out of the labyrinth. I'm at the glacier. Just put my crampons on. My hands are freezing. I hope the wind doesn't pick up. And I think it should be easier now that I'm at the glacier. Oh, I'm so close to the summit now. Oh, and the sun is just beginning to rise. You can see right behind me. I think I might make the summit right for the sunrise, so oh, it's pretty hard going though. I made it. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Here, I'll turn my headlight off. Oh, I can't believe it. Look at the sunrise behind me. Now, I think part two of my adventure was I really wanted to fly my drone up here, and I don't really care if I lose it. I just want to see if it'll fly at this altitude. Oh, my face is frozen right now. Just about to get back on the glacier. Oh, that was a success. I managed to fly my drone and I didn't lose it. And now I'm gonna get the hell off the mountain because I'm frozen. My hands are just completely numb, and my feet are blocks of ice, and I'm a little drunk from the altitude.